Have you ever tied a bottle to a tree? I was amazed by how effective this simple trick is. You can also hang it from a branch. First, prepare a mixture by adding some apple cider vinegar into a container. Then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of dish soap and stir well. If you don't have enough vinegar, you can add a little water. Take any plastic bottle and, using a funnel, fill it with a prepared solution. You don't need to fill it all the way, just a little is enough. Next, use a screwdriver or knife to poke a few holes on each side of the bottle or on the cap. Then tie the bottle around the tree or hang it on a branch. This creates a perfect trap for fruit flies, vinegar flies, and sometimes even ants. The smell of apple cider vinegar attracts the insects because it resembles fermented fruit, while the dish soap breaks the surface tension to liquid, so the insects drown as soon as they land. Without soap, they might land and fly away again, but this way they get trapped immediately.